I've seen that castle in photographs, the one at Elmina. I've seen it from the angle of the sea, whitewashed and sprawling. There are photographs of what look like narrow, low-ceilinged corridors. Bats hang in these corridors' dark reaches. I know that if I go to that place, I will be destroyed. Its photographs take my breath away. Places like this are dotted along the west coast of Africa. These places became known as the Gate of No Return, the Door of No Return. Does Old Terror become literary? These are the places that made everyone who went through forget their names. Here, walls ate the skin. Footsteps took the mind. My grandfather's forgetting was not personal. It had been passed on to him by many, most especially the one in my family who stepped through the door of no return. It was a gift, forgetting. The only gift that one, the one bending reluctantly toward the opening, could give. Landing in London is landing in the familiar. The British must have built every place they settle in according to the same city plans as London. How else would I know that walking down each main street I would come to a roundabout? The streets would angle and twist into an inner square, that the width of the streets would summon in me a particular stride. That Charing Crossroad would be right where it was. No matter what the landscape, it seemed they imposed the same plan of narrow streets, cobbled alleys, squares and circuses. Then they laid government buildings along in the same brown and red bricked way. Then they filled these buildings with quiet incompetence, occasioning long queues and fuming patience until graft and bribery suffused all transactions. In the line at Heathrow, we all know each other then. We have the same roadmaps in our heads. We've walked the same streets of Colony. Nothing to pillage here though. If you wanted to sack this city, you would get stuck in the constant traffic gridlock. Though you stand at exhibits in museums envious and thinking, what balls.